You probably got here because you've realized that the HP Envy built-in web camera is low quality to say the least. So you are seeing it right now. That's what I'm recording with the built-in camera. There's no smudges over the lens. This is just what it looks like. I'm in a decently lit room, and yet the video picture still looks like this. This is also using the built-in microphone on the HP Envy as well. So what I'm going to do now is switch over to the Logitech camera that will basically be a night and day difference between video quality, and you'll also notice an improvement in sound quality.
Ta-da! Now I'm recording with the Logitech HD C720 webcam. Super affordable. I'm also using the webcam's sound, and you can hear a difference in quality there as well. So I didn't change anything. Didn't change lighting, didn't change settings, didn't change anything. So we're in the same hoodie. So I didn't change anything, all things equal. So you can see the quality between the webcam and the built-in webcam and the external webcam. And it's totally worth it to buy the external webcam if you're doing any kind of volume of video recording or even video calling, if you want to maintain a professional look. So super affordable and well worth it, because at this point you're probably not going to return your laptop. I know I'm not. So this is how I found the frustration, and this is how I ended up fixing it, and have been very, very happy with the results and the quality, and for a really affordable price. So there are links to everything below, and feel free to comment if you have questions or want any additional information on the webcam.